Yo, we about to have some fun today because we are styling nudes. And yes, you heard me right, styling nudes. Actually, neutrals. Get your mind out the gutter. But today we about to break down and tell you what neutrals are, and we're going to show you how to style with it. So with that being said, y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll that beautiful B-roll footage, please. What's good, Camcorder Squad? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and of course, menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. All right, now today we are talking about styling neutrals. It's springtime, and those pastel colors, those neutral colors are really gonna make a big pop when it comes to styling for this season. So as we lead into the spring and move into the summer as well, I'm gonna show you all a few ways to style neutrals, and I'm gonna break down real quick what it is to style neutral pieces. So let's just get right to it, because I don't even want to hold y'all. So let's just jump right into this. Y'all already know how we go. You dig? So I know some people may be confused about what neutral colors really are. It simply means without color, and especially when it comes to interior design and fashion. Now, colors like ivory, white, blue, taupe, brown, beige, and so many other colors actually play a role when going into styling for neutral colors. Now, if you are a little bit confused, I can understand, but don't worry, I'll have a link down below that you could click on, and it'll take you to a website that'll show you a palette of different colors that you all can use, mix and match when it comes to styling in neutral colors. Now, I don't want to dig too much into the science behind neutral colors and how it mixed and how it created and everything like that, but what I want to do is actually show you the few ways that I style neutral colors and how it can make you look fashionable for the spring, and it might just give you some ideas. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this, man. Y'all know how it go. Yeah. All right, y'all. So first thing first that I have right here, I have an ivory linen shirt that comes from ASOS. It's in a size 2X. It was supposed to be a 1, but it came in a 2X. This is a relaxed fit, and seeing that it was supposed to come in a 1X, it still would have had that baggy, loose, relaxed fit, so it's still gonna look the same as you see it right now. All right, now at the bottom, what I have is my Chino Pants that come from Zara. These are a nice light brown color. Now at the bottom, what I have for my kicks are a pair of maroon Vans. These are just real chill, nothing too big, nothing too flashy, so this fit is just pretty chill, and I have small accessories on here. I have, of course, my beads on my arm, I have my watch, and then I have my solid gold chain, and I have my glass, so to give off a little bit of flair. This is more of a beach fit, so I mean, you can walk around and you can chill, you can have the wind blowing at you and everything like that, and you'll still look fly at the same time. So this is more of a beach fit. All right, now next fit that I have is also real chill. I didn't want to go too wild with this outfit, but I do got some layers on here. Even though it's the springtime, we can still get away because at the same time, it still get a little cold and it get a little hot sometimes, so having a jacket will be dope. So this jacket that I have is an all black jacket. It's like a stone wash at the same time. It's like a light stone wash on here. This comes from Levi's. The best part about this is that it has more of a crop bottom, so it makes me look a little bit wider, bulkier. It gives like this square fit, so you can see that the jacket also stretches at the same time. Also up under here, I have a white t-shirt that came from Levi's as well. Now at the bottom, I have my favorite sweatpants that come from PacSun. This is like an eggshell and gray blend. It's not gray and it's not light gray. It has two different colors in here, so I think this is fire. And down at the bottom, what I have is my ACW and Nike Vomero 5 collaborations. Those are some of my favorite sneakers, and y'all already know. I already told y'all about those. And my socks are crazy with the gray socks, so that's fire. All right, next up, what I have is my tan sweatshirt. You can still wear sweatshirts in the spring or the summertime. So right now, what I have is my tan sweatshirt that comes from ASOS as well. So I have my navy blue pants that also come from ASOS as well, and these are one of my favorite because they have a very light fabric on here. Although it looks pretty heavy, it's really not. Now down at the bottom, I have my favorite Air Jordan 1s. I have them in the crimson and black colorway. These are my favorite joints. It gives a pop of color, but at the same time, it still have those neutral colors of gray, black, white, and eggshell at the bottom. So it gives me enough time to play with some neutral colors, all from the entire fit, but at the same time, add a pop of color into it. Now next up, what I have is a navy corduroy jacket. That's what they call it, a shirt jacket. It's actually pretty light but pretty heavy at the same time. It's light enough to be a jacket, but it's heavy enough to be like a corduroy overshirt at the same time. Now under what I have is a regular beige shirt that comes from H&M. It was just something that was just chill that I could just throw up under, so it doesn't have any tags up on it to say H&M or anything like that besides having it on the collar, so nobody will know. But at the same time, at the bottom, what I have is some Uniqlo pants as well. These are navy blue again, but these are actually pretty light. With the fabric that they have, these Uniqlo pants are fire, bro. These are some of my favorites. Now lastly, at the bottom, what you'll see is my daybreaks. It has some gold and it has some red that's up in it, but that's cool because gold is like a undertone for like beige and everything like that, so it's pretty fire. It all goes well hand in hand with the color. As you can see, the gold shoes go well with that beige that's at the top, so it's pretty fire. It goes hand in hand and it plays a role in like this minimalist style at the same time, so it's pretty fire. Now this is my last fit here. This is pretty much that, yo, I love to wear streetwear, but at the same time, don't play with me because I know I could bring some heat when it comes to this styling piece. So that's my outfit that I have. So what you'll see up top is a jacket that actually came from Forever 21. I just saw it and I had to get it. Now under what I have is like this eggshell t-shirt. It's not white, but it's not like too much of a beige color. It's very, very white, like a very much eggshell color. So it goes perfect with that brown that I'm wearing at the top. And then at the bottom, I have some pants from H&M. These are like very, very slim fitted, but I don't wear too many skinny pants or nothing like that. I don't wear too many fitted pants like that. But in this case, I wanted to go with it just to fit the aesthetic of this casual look that I was given. And then at the bottom, you'll see that I have my Vomero 5s again at the bottom. I could have wore my brown boots, but at the same time, you all know me, I'm a sneakerhead, so I'm just gonna bring it with the sneakers. But at the same time, I'll show you all what it looks like when I'm wearing some boots as well later on in a different video. Alright y'all, so that wraps it up for my video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video for today, man. I hope this helped y'all with some ideas to think about wearing neutral colors and styling out in your own way, whether it's minimal, streetwear, lifestyle, whatever you decide to choose. Now what I want y'all to do is go ahead, hit that like button for me if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below and let me know which is your favorite fashion, which is your favorite style, and drop a comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. So I'm about to get up out of here. I appreciate y'all for always watching, man. I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. I'll catch up with y'all next time. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.